3 days of picket lines, police barriers, and chanting are over. Nurses are back to work. The New York State Nurses Association union reached a deal in the middle of the night with the Mount Sinai and Montefiore health systems. The nurses are happy with the agreement that will add staff and give pay raises. Currents News' Jessica Easthope has more from outside of Mount Sinai Hospital's main campus in East Harlem.
Not enough nurses, no breaks, no overtime pay, no more. 7,000 nurses spent this week on picket lines, but right now the scene here in front of Mount Sinai Hospital is getting back to normal. They returned to work today after getting a text at 2:30 this morning saying, "We won." Jenny DeSuyo is headed into work for anything but a normal day as an ER nurse.
This is what we've been fighting for, so it feels nice to know that it made a difference and that we're moving forward.
Sinai, Sinai, you can hide.
Nurses at Mount Sinai and Montefiore health systems, two of the city's largest hospitals, were on strike this week. Their biggest concern, patient-to-nurse ratio.
The more nurses we have, safer care we can provide for our patients.
Since the pandemic, more than 333,000 healthcare workers left their jobs due to burnout, long hours, and heavy patient loads.
Sometimes we cannot even take a break, not even time to go and use the bathroom. And also there's so much documentation that nurses have to stay overtime, not being paid, to complete the paperwork.
The new tentative agreement reached by the New York State Nurses Association includes a 19.1% wage increase and the addition of registered nurses and nurse practitioners. During the strike, both hospitals were forced to transfer patients and divert ambulances to other hospitals, as well as postpone non-emergency surgeries.
I feel like we accomplished so much the last 3 days.
Now they're looking forward to a big change.
I feel like we'll be able to breathe because knowing that we'll be able to do our job properly and safely, and the patients will get what they deserve and need.
And thanking God, the deal was in their favor.
Prayed for our voices to be heard, and prayers were answered.
Praying for a good outcome and for a positive outcome, and it worked. God is good.
The nurses union called this agreement just as much a win for patients as it is for nurses. In the wake of this negotiation, nurses at Wyckoff Heights Medical Center in Brooklyn also reached a tentative deal this morning and withdrew their 10-day strike notice. In East Harlem, Jessica Easthope, Currents News.
Hi, I'm Christine Persichetti, anchor of Currents News. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button on this video. And if you want to see more content just like it, subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, because we are putting your faith in the news.